Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar, and we're starting on the daily time frame. So all week long, I've been saying that this move up right here could be a pullback to this last move down, or it could just keep on drifting up and give us a break of structure, confirming a much larger turn. Either scenario, we would be looking for longs at shorter time frames and hopefully learning and earning at the same time. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I think the structure is forming around the 2 to 4 hour time frame. This is the current structure level. If it breaks down below there, which yesterday I was saying the same thing, except for it's down here, if it breaks below this structure today, then I'll be more than happy to start looking for shorts. If it doesn't break below there, even if it does start to drift down, anything I see to the downside I would look at as nothing more than a possible pullback within this uptrend until we do get a break of structure, just following along with market flow. If the market flow just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, and goes up and breaks the daily time frame structure, then great. We confirm that this is a much larger turn while we're looking for longs. Or while we're looking for longs, if it breaks to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level, then we'll just simply stop looking for longs and we'll start looking for shorts again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.